In today's edition of What's on the Porch, IPSY has taken over BoxyCharm. I'm not too happy about that. Let me show you what's in my box. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. I already miss BoxyCharm, and this is just my very first IPSY took over BoxyCharm box, and I had just canceled my IPSY right before that happened and had subscribed to not only BoxyCharm Premium but also to the base box. They transferred my premium over to the IPSY website. I have no idea what they've done with the rest of my base box because I had only received one or maybe two, and I had signed up for 6 months. I'm still trying to figure that out. I think the email said something about credits, but I don't see any credits yet, so I'll let y'all know what happens with all of that. But this is the April box, and as I figured, it's mostly full of skincare, and that does not make me happy because I subscribe to makeup subscription boxes for the makeup, not for the skincare. Having a lot of skincare in your boxes is not necessarily a good thing. It does give you the opportunity to try out different products, but if you're slathering on a bunch of different products and you don't know whether they go together, you end up with all kinds of skin problems. So make sure that you're being careful with that. This comes with a big old honkin' magazine. BoxyCharm by IPSY. Same great subscription. I don't think so. However, we are gorgeous together. Yes, indeed we are. I don't know if this is featuring what will be coming up in May. I don't know. I haven't really, to be honest, I have not read a lot of what's on here. I will, but let's get into what's in my box. The total value of my box is $209. I will put the little picture of what my box was going to look like once I made my choices. I was not crazy about all the choices, but the first item that I chose was this Hip Dot makeup sponge duo set, because you can never go wrong with the makeup sponge, even though that little jar right there is absolutely full of them. I have a lot of them, but that's okay. They feel pretty nice, and so we're going to take that. This, by the way, retails for $16. The other thing that I picked was this Fenty Beauty. This is Gloss Bomb. And I believe this, oh no, it says Gloss Bomb Heat, and the shade is Lemon Lava. It's very pretty. I am not a lip gloss person. Oh, I really wanted that to smell like lemons. But my daughter is a lip gloss person, so let's see what this is like. She won't care. It feels pretty good. I really wanted it to smell like lemons, but I chose this because, again, I wasn't real crazy about my choices, and I knew that Brandy would like this. So this retails for $24. And then I picked this Bell and Argent liquid eyeliner, and it is in the shade black, I am sure. That lip gloss is burning. That must be a plumping lip gloss. I did not. Yep, it is. This is really pretty. I'm pretty sure that this is in black. Yep, it's in black. Again, I picked this because I know my daughter Brandy loves liquid eyeliner, and she goes through a lot of liquid eyeliner. So I got that for her, and this retails for $20. Those are all the items that I picked in the box, and then they sent me this Detox Dry Shampoo by Dry Bar, and I do not like dry shampoo. I have never found a dry shampoo that I like. I can't tell whether it smells like anything. I don't know whether I will try this or not. I have tried just about all of them, and they just do not work for me. This retails for $26. And then they also sent me this Tula Skincare So Smooth Resurfacing and Brightening Fruit Enzyme Mask. Balanced skincare. I have quite a few resurfacing products that I'm using. I probably will pass this along to Brandy as well. It does come in nice packaging with a nice pump. And this retails for $36, and I know that Tula is supposed to be good skincare, but like I said, you don't want to be adding in a whole lot of different items into your skincare routine. The last item that I have here is my Beauty Boost, which was something that I was able to choose, and I really wasn't crazy about the choices there either. This sure does sound negative, doesn't it? So I picked the micro needle face and full body roller kit. You can see that it has that bigger roller so that you can use that on like your arms and, you know, things like that. This retails for $85, and I do know that these kits are quite expensive. So, you know, would I have gone out and bought this? No. Is it okay that I have it? Yes, I am going to use it, but I want IPSY. Hello. Hello, IPSY. Leanna here. Can we have makeup? Just makeup. Can you just, you know, just give us a choice of makeup, not skincare? I mean, I got this and this, and I'm not going to use either one of those, even though I chose them. I know, but I'm just, you know, I hope that it gets better, because right now I'm a little disenchanted. I'm not excited, and I don't know what this is. That was to protect the items in the box, which is not much better than the one little tiny piece of brown paper that BoxyCharm put in there either. So there we go. There's my IPSY now BoxyCharm, now IPSY, what did it say? BoxyCharm by IPSY. Yep, so there we go. So we'll see what happens next month. And I'm still waiting on my glam bag, because I did subscribe to the whole glam bag thing for the samples to see if that's improved any, because, you know, I'm a glutton. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my BoxyCharm by IPSY. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you know anything about micro needling? It's almost like a torture tool. I mean, there's needles, and you roll that across your skin and puncture yourself. It's a good thing you live with me now. Mama's going to teach you how to be beautiful. Okay? We're going to shove some needles in your face. You're going to love it. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.